আসসালামু আলাইকুম। সবাইকে স্বাগত জানাচ্ছি আজকের ক্লাসে। আজকে হচ্ছে আমরা ও লেভেল ম্যাথ বি ও লেভেল ম্যাথ বি এর কন্টেন্ট গুলো নিয়ে কথা বলবো। তো প্রাথমিক যে আমাদের যে ভিডিও বুক, সেই ভিডিও বুকের সমস্ত কন্টেন্ট গুলো আমরা ও লেভেল এবং এ লেভেলের জন্য এখানে পাওয়া যাবে, তাই তো? তো আজকে আমরা বরাবরের মতো আমাদের ক্লাসগুলো বাংলা এবং ইংলিশে পরিচালিত হবে একই সাথে, যাতে করে each and every learner from the different part of the globe can take part and can understand the basic to advanced level concept regarding the math B. সো ওয়েলকাম ইউ অল। আর এই ওয়েবসাইটে তোমরা সবাই জানো যে এইটা হচ্ছে আমাদের সেই ওয়েবসাইট, যে ওয়েবসাইটের মাধ্যমে আমরা আমাদের যে ভিডিও বুক গুলো রয়েছে, সেই সবগুলো ভিডিও বুক ফর ও লেভেল, এ লেভেল এবং ইংলিশ ভার্সন এবং অ্যাডমিশন রিলেটেড ইস্যুগুলো রয়েছে। তো এখান থেকে সবগুলো পাওয়া যাবে। তো আজকের আলোচনা যেহেতু আমাদের ম্যাথ বি, সরাসরি আমরা ম্যাথ বিতে চলে যাচ্ছি। এডেক্সেলের ম্যাথ বির যে কন্টেন্ট, সেই কন্টেন্ট নিয়ে আলোচনা করবো। এটি হচ্ছে আমাদের এক নিজস্ব পাবলিকেশন, যেখান থেকে আমরা এই ভিডিও বুকটা পাবলিশ করে থাকি। এবং এই ভিডিও বুকে প্রতিটি কম্পোনেন্ট এবং প্রতিটি টার্মিনোলজি, ম্যাথমেটিক্যাল টার্মিনোলজি গুলোর সহজ এবং অ্যানিমেটেড এবং পিকচারাইজড প্রেজেন্টেশন রয়েছে। কেন এই ভিডিও বুকটা দরকার হবে সেই বিষয়টা আমরা প্রথমে জেনে নিই। আর ম্যাথমেটিক্সের এই ভিডিও, ম্যাথমেটিক্স বি যেটা, এই এই বইটা পুরোটা বা এই কোর্সটা যদি আমরা এডেক্সেলের আন্ডারে কভার করতে চাই, তাহলে আমাদের কতটুকু সময় লাগবে এবং এই কোর্সটার সর্বাধিক বা সর্বোচ্চ বা এক্সপেক্টেড গ্রেড পাওয়ার জন্য আমাদের কি কি করতে হবে। তো ফার্স্ট কোশ্চেন, হোয়াই ডু ইউ নিড দ্য ভিডিও বুক ফর ম্যাথমেটিক্স বি? Actually, all the papers of O level for Edexcel and Cambridge, we are providing the video book, and the video book is basically going to help you to understand the complex and complicated terminology and terms of math easily. So it will provide you the visual aspect. At the same time, it will provide the record class. It will solve the problems related to previous year's questions, so that is solve paper and the mock test, and you will get the tutor support online. So the video book is designed to help the learners, to assist them and to understand them the complex issues of the subject matters and the materials and the secret notes that have been designed to present it as well, to understand. All the learners will get here easily. So just you have to register, and then you have to purchase the book, and you get the user ID and password. You can use it by your mobile. How you can use it by your mobile? Just you will have a printout of this very interesting books, that is video books for mathematics B. Then you will just scan the QR code, and then you will get the complete solution one by one, chapter by chapter, point by point. Each and every terminology has been designed, has been presented in so natural ways that you will be able to understand easily. And at the same time, and not only that, this is going to be end. At the same time, you are going to have the support from online also. So these are the all things where you will get the video book, and you will learn the subject, each and every subject easily from home by saving your time, valuable time. And then that you can invest the time again and again, and go for mock test again and again, and check your confidence level, and it will definitely increase the level of confidence, so that you will feel free to sit for the final exam. So these are the main features of video book, of why we need that. Now the next question is, how much time is required to cover the mathematics B? Math B, it will take 30, that is 90 days time duration, most probably 90 days to 120 days maximum. So the whole books will be covered, including 10 to 15 mock tests, and all the solved questions previous solved. So all are going to be down here in a website page, which in which you can enter by using your mobile or any device, electronic device. So it is gonna help you in so much way. And the another important thing is that all the video presentations are in such a manner, presented in such a manner that you will get the clear identity and clear pronunciation, and it will help you to improve your pronunciation skill as well, which is rare in our country, that the teachers are not using the correct pronunciation, but by using this video book, you will have the clear concept and the correct pronunciation of each and every word. The more two or more teachers are involved to cover the whole books as a whole. So nothing to be worried, just you have to start, just to get the book and start your class. So these are the important things. And then I have also mentioned the few point here. You can study, you can read here, by which you can understand how the book is gonna help you and gonna help the reader. This book is also designed for the teachers also, because teachers will get the various innovative concepts and ideas to teach their students. So this book is not only for the learner, but also it can go a long way to help the teachers from the different corner of the globe. So this is the most innovative part of the mathematics B, and also including other subjects. So now we are going to focus. These are the complete syllabus, where you get the details idea regarding the Mathd, which topics are going to be learned, how you will learn, and how easily you can understand, and how easily you can represent. One thing should keep in mind that reading or learning is not going to help you itself until or unless you are able to recall it. So for recalling data from the memory or to sending the data to the memory, this video presentation and audio video presentation and animation and the visual aspect and the graphs and the pictures will help you to a lot, or in a multiple ways, to store data from the short-term memory to long-term memory, and also it is going to be help you to recall data faster than ever. So we will use the memory technique also in our presentation, that is going to be help you directly to recall data faster. So when you will be able to learn the process and to recall the data from the memory faster, then it will improve the quality of presentations of your exam, and you will completely finish the exam with the shortest possible time without making any mistake. So for avoiding any types of mistakes in the final exam, this video book is going to be help the learners in multi-dimensional way, and at the same time the teachers to get the content from these books and to present the book to help the learners to have the crystal clear vivid pictures for the content. So these are the all things. So why do you need the video book, and why it is going to be help you to get your dream score. So these are the alls at all. Now we are focusing on the content of the video book. You can see here the syllabus, the complete syllabus of the Edexcel IGSC Mathematics B. So these are the key skills developed after starting these books. You will have you'll have the ability to solve these types of problems. And now we are focusing on the chapter 1, that is module 1. Module 1 that is going to be helping. That is included here integer, decimals, and fractions. Okay, integer, decimals, and fractions. This you can see here. This is this one. So we are going to understand these topics, that is integer, decimal, and fraction. This is very easy way to understand. We are going to use it in the mathematics and the teaching balance method, and it will help with the graphs and pictures that will give you the clear. To start in the bigger pictures, you get this terminology of mathematics. Integers and decimals and fractions. Integer, decimal, and fraction. So what is integers? If we go focus on the definition of the definition of integer, integers are whole numbers that can be positive, negative, or zero. So what is integer? Any positive number, any negative number, any zero, but do not include fraction or decimal, except any fraction number or any decimal. So any fraction number, any decimal number cannot be defined as integer. Other than fraction and decimal, all the numbers are designated as integer. Okay. So if we focus on the graph, that is pictures, you can see here, this is the number dot line, and this is the zero, neither positive nor negative. This one is neither positive nor negative. Okay. This one you can see here, this one. So this point is neutral point. Okay. And then when from neutral point we are going to the right direction, that is positive integer. This is positive integer. This is the integer number. And when you are going to the left direction, then you will have the negative integer number. So integer, any number other than fraction, another fraction can be a integer, and integer number can be positive integer and negative integer. Clear? Then we are going to here. This is the example of integer negative number, and then this is the whole number. That is, you can see this one, and this one. Okay, and then whole number are defined into two. That is, one is zero, and another one is natural number, right? Natural number. So if we go for understanding, for clear understanding, these are natural number 1, 2, 3, and then whole number 0, 1, 2, 3. So from this chart, we are getting a pictures regarding the negative number, regarding the integer, regarding the whole number, regarding the zero, and the natural number. So I hope you have got the clear pictures regarding the integer. So if we sum up the what is integer, any number except fraction, right? Any number except fraction. So if we focus on this, any number except fraction or decimal. Except fraction or decimal number, any number except fraction or decimal number are the integer number. So when you see any number, then you just ask yourself, is it integer? Is it integer? Is it fraction? Is it decimal? So you will easily understand what is fraction and what is decimal. So these are the whole thing: negative integer, positive integer, zero. So integer can be divided into three parts. That is zero, neither integer nor a neutral point, and then negative integer, and then positive integer. So these are the things regarding the related to integer. Okay. So integer is clear. Okay. So we are going to the next level, and this of understanding. This one. I hope this is clear now, right? And then example, positive integer 1 to 10 in this one, and the integer -1, -5, that is negative integer should contain negative number, and then 0. No decimal or fraction allowed. It is important key that should be memorized or keep in memory. Absolute value, this is known as absolute value, right? Absolute value when coming out, then it is positive value, right? So this positive value also an integer number. Now the question is that what is decimal? Now if you learn for the decimal value first, this one, this is 10,000, this is 1,000, this is 100, this is tens, and this is 1. So decimal number we present here 1 by 10, and 100 numbers 1 by 100, and 1,000 number 1 by 1,000, and 10,000 1 by 10,000, right? In this way, we present in this way. So number line, this is number line, this is number line, this is 0, 0.1, 0.2, these are the decimal. So decimal number of it should give positive decimal number. These are the positive decimal number, right? These are the positive decimal number. Decimal means it should be fractionated portion, right? Negative decimal number, this is -1, 0.1. This one decimal number means also this one to this one, right? And then positive decimal number, this one to this one, right? This one to this one. Here is that I can see here again. This one. Okay. So now the decimal number is clear. What is decimal, right? So what we have learned right now, what is integer, what is decimal. Now another terminology, decimal numbers of the include a decimal point used to represent a part of the whole number. We can also define this in another way, that is any part of a whole number is decimal number. Any part of a whole number, any part. This is you can see, we can write here. This is the this one, not this one, this one. You can take it, right? That's what. This one. This is the whole number, right? So we can write here the 4.5. This is decimal. This is decimal number. So any portion of a whole number is decimal number, right? So this one you can see here. This is the example. These are the examples. 0.5, 2.75, 0.125. These are the all the other decimal number, right? So got it. Now the fraction. A fraction represents a portion of whole number where written is numerator divided by denominator. Numerator divided by denominator, right? So this is the example: proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction. What are the types of fraction? Fraction may be typed as the proper fraction, that is 1 by 3, 5 by 7. You can see here numerator is smaller than the denominator. These are আমরা যেটাকে বাংলায় বলি লব হর। এখানে দেখেন যে হরের অংশটুকু বড় আছে, যদি লব ছোট থাকে তাহলে সেটাকে আমরা বলবো প্রপার ফ্র্যাকশন। আর ইমপ্রপার ফ্র্যাকশন যদি লবের অংশ বড় হয়, দ্যাট ইজ নমিনেটর বড় হয়, and the denominator হয় অথবা ইকুয়াল হয়, greater than or equal to, nominator is greater than or equal to the denominator, এটাকে আমরা বলছি improper fraction। and mixed fraction, a whole number and a proper fraction, মানে এই দুটোর মিশ্রণ। ঠিক আছে, একটা হোল নাম্বার থাকবে, এই যে হোল নাম্বার এখানে 2, এই যে হোল নাম্বার 2 আর একটা ফ্র্যাকশন +2 +3.5। So mixed fraction is defined as the combination of whole number and the fractionated number, and the proper number, improper number. So if we sum up here, then we have learned here what is integer, what is decimal, what is the type of the fraction, what is the fraction number. These are the most important things for understanding the for deeper understanding the whole subject matter of mathematics. So I hope you understand that, and you will be able to identify which one is integer, which one is not integer, which one is fraction, which one is not fraction, what are the type of fraction, what is the fractionated value, what is the mixed fraction, right? So what is dominator, what is numerator, uh, so these are the key points here. Quick summary. You can see here integer, the most important part, whole numbers, no decimal, no fraction, right? Decimal number with decimal point, and fraction part of whole number. So if you have a look of this portion, you can also understand clearly regarding the concept of fraction, integers, and decimal. So now, after completing the whole chapter, the discussion of lecture 1, you should go for the test. What you have learned from this chapter, that is this lecture 1, and then if you can easily find out the number identity, number character, either it is integer, either it is decimal, either it is fraction, what is either it is the proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction, negative decimal, positive decimal, negative integer, positive integer. These are the main key point and terminology of Mathbd or level Mathbd Edexcel subject portions of related to integer, decimal, and fraction. If you are able to find out the identity of these three types of number, then it will go a long way to understand the next portion of the discussion of this syllabus. So I hope you understand. If you face any problem from this discussion, from this note, then let us know. We are here to support you in detail. Thank you so much for patience. Please like, share, and comment this video. And if you want to know more regarding the video book and for other subjects, please inbox us.